Alright mga kapatid, balitang abroad ulit ang ating bibigyan ng reaction, video and commentary. Mula rito sa WION mga kapatid. No? Kung naalala ninyo, nagkaroon ng ceasefire ang Israel at Iran, no? Matapos bombahin ng B-2 stealth bomber ng Amerika ang mga nuke facilities ng Iran. Mga tol, eto matindi. Sabi rito mga kapatid, US lawmakers, mga mambabatas no, sa Amerika, ay nag-propose kay US President Donald Trump na i-authorize, no, payagan ang pag-transfer ng B-2 stealth bombers and 30,000-pound bunker buster bombs sa Israel kung sakasakaling ituloy ng Iran yung kanilang nuke program o nagde-develop pa rin sila ng nuclear weapon. Ibig sabihin mga kapatid, bahala na Israel, no? Ayan na. Ipapadala sa inyo yung B-2 bomber, kayo na magpalipad, kayo na tumira dyan sa Iran. Sabi rito, bomb to Israel if Iran is found to still be developing nuclear weapons. This comes days after the US attacked Iran's 3 nuclear sites, Fordo, Natanz, and Stafan with 14 B-2 bomber bunker buster bombs. Representative Josh Gottheimer, DNJ, and Mike Lawler, RNY, have proposed an act called the Bunker Buster Act that will allow the POTUS to take actions to ensure Israel is prepared for all contingencies if Iran seeks to develop a nuclear weapon. A ceasefire was announced between Iran and Israel after more than a week of heightened tensions during which both countries launched missiles and attacked each other. While Israel was first to launch the preemptive attack targeting Iranian nuclear sites, Iran said it has the right to respond. No, Iran said it has the right to respond. No, may karapatan sila gumante. The tensions came to a halt after U.S. strikes and Iran retaliation on America's base in Qatar. As of 2024, the U.S. had 19 B-2s in operation. It does not transfer custody of its B-2 stealth bombers to any of its allies. Pero ngayon, nagpo-propose na nga etong mga mambabatas, mga lawmakers ng Amerika na magpadala ang Amerika ng B-2 bombers doon sa Israel. At kung sakasakaling ang Iran daw ay nagsasagawa pa rin ng development o nagde-develop pa rin ng nuclear weapon nila, bahala na Israel, no? Bombahin nyo kung gusto ninyo, nasa inyo na yung B-2 bomber saka bunker buster. Panoorin natin to mga tol.
Alright, so let's start with the big story that we are tracking on WION at this hour.
Kasi di ba Israel ang nagsimula nitong nakaraan, di ba? Sila na yung nag-initiate na wasakin yung mga nuclear facilities ng Israel at sa unang bugso nga ng Iran at sa unang bugso nga, 'di ba, mga top officials, top general, mga scientists agad ang nasawi doon sa ginawa ng Israel. Ngayon, kapag ipinadala ng Amerika ang B-2 nila, B-2 stealth bombers nila at yung 30,000 pound na bunker buster, sa susunod na gagawin ng Israel yun mga tol, baka yun na agad ang unang-una nilang gamitin.
Now, the American lawmakers have proposed to authorize President Trump to transfer B-2 stealth bombers and also bunker buster bombs to the state of Israel if Iran resumes its nuclear program. Now, according to American media reports, a bipartisan proposal has been introduced by the Democrat Congressman Josh Gottheimer and the Republican lawmaker Mike Lawler.
So sila yung nag-i-introduce nung tawag dito, batas.
Now, the bill called the Bunker Buster Act would allow Donald Trump to take actions to ensure the Israeli readiness in case of Iranian nuclear development. In a statement, Gottheimer said that Israel must be able to defend itself against Iran and ensure that Iran cannot rebuild its nuclear capabilities.
Israel must be able to defend itself against Iran and ensure that Iran cannot rebuild its nuclear capabilities. Kumbaga gagamitin nilang as leverage ang Israel mga tol. No, kumbaga hindi na natin kailangan pang tutukan yan. Bahala na Israel, sila din dapat nang magsigurado na hindi na maitutuloy ng Iran ang kanilang nuclear capability. So whenever na ma-detect nila na ang Iran ay nagsisimula ulit, bahala na sila agad kumilos. Parang ganun ang gustong mangyari. Leverage ang Israel pala.
While Lawler said that this bill gives the president the authority to equip Israel with the tools and also the training that they need to deter Tehran and to make the world a much safer place.
And this bill gives the president the authority to equip Israel with the tools and training they need to deter Tehran and make the world a safer place. No? So gumagawa sila ng panukalang batas o itong batas na to, itong bill.
Notably, the American ambassador to Israel, Mike Huckabee, on Wednesday suggested targeting Yemen with B-2 stealth bombers in response to the Houthi missile strike on Israel.
Oh, hindi lang sa Iran pwedeng gamitin ng Israel yan, no? Sabi rito, we thought we were done with missiles coming to Israel, but Houthis just lit one up over us in Israel. Fortunately, Israel's incredible interception system means we go to the shelter and wait until all clear. Maybe those B-2 bombers need to visit Yemen. Sabing gano'n ni Ambassador Mike Huckabee, no? Siguro kung may ganito ang Israel, baka yan na rin ang ipabisita nila sa Yemen para doon sa Houthis.
Now, the Americans operate a fleet of 19 B-2 stealth bombers, and these aircraft remain exclusively under American control. The B-2s are not transferred to or operated by any foreign allies, maintaining the American military's strategic advantage.
Oh, so yun ang mine-maintain ng Amerika. Kahit sa mga allies nila, kumbaga hindi pa sila nagpapadala ng mga ganito at sila lang ang gumamit niyan, exclusive lang para sa Amerika para ma-maintain nila yung advantage nila.
The American B-2 bombers recently dropped the bunker buster bombs on Iran's Fordo nuclear site, with Trump claiming that the strikes had totally obliterated Tehran's nuclear capabilities. The 30,000-pound GBU-57 massive ordnance penetrator is what is deemed to be a precision-guided bomb that is designed to destroy deeply buried targets. And what is interesting is this. Currently, Israel does not have bunker buster bombs in its arsenal, but now they would like to get some of these.
O nga, walang gano'n ng Israel. Kaya kung sakasakaling makapapasa itong batas na to na ginawa na itong mga lawmakers na to, itong proposed bill nila kay US President Trump at nag-authorize si Trump, sige magpadala kayo ng B-2 stealth bombers dito sa Israel. Diba? Etong Israel mga to, lagi nilang minomonitor etong mga kaganapan sa Iran. Kaya nga nitong nakaraan, diba, meron silang tinawag na Rising Lion. Nakita nila na patuloy na yung pagsasagawa ng Iran doon sa kanilang mga nuclear program. Kaya ang ginawa nila, umatake sila. Sa unang bugso ng ginawa nilang pag-atake, mga scientists, mga top generals agad yung nasawi doon. Tapos siyempre, bumawi ang Iran, nagpalipad ng sakaterbang missile at yan ay umabot ng 12 day. Diba? 12 araw mga tol tumagal itong bakbakan na to. Natapos nga yan, matapos na makialam itong Amerika. Etong ginamit nila, etong parang ibon na yan na pag tinignan mo parang stingray din sa kalawakan. Sobrang taas lumipad niyan. Tapos ito yung naghulog ng dalawang bunker buster. Pero tatlo yun eh. Tatlo yung pinasabog nilang mga Fordo, Stefan, saka Natanz, di ba? Yun yung kanilang binomba. Sinabi na nga ni US President Trump na obliterated na. So ngayon, para magkaroon sila ng leverage dito sa Israel, dahil wala nga ganito ang Israel gusto nito mga mambabatas na to na magpadala ng ganito sa Israel para Israel na bahala ang tumira dito sa Tehran o sa Iran. At baka gamitin pa rin to ng Israel sa sa Yemen o kaya sa Lebanon, sa kanilang mga kalaban doon, Hezbollah at Hezbollah at saka Houthis. Pero siguro bago nila gamitin yan sa ibang bansa, baka kailangan mo nila humingi ng pahintulot pa sa Amerika. Baka pwedeng maging ganun din. Ito, exclusive lang to sa Iran lang gagamitin. Ipapadala namin sa inyo. Ano sa tingin ninyo mga tol? Sa tingin ba ninyo aaprubahan niya ni Trump? Comment kayo sa ibaba mga tol. Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Shobaldi. Peace out.